Hey everyone, today I will show you how to download and install TikTok on your iPhone. So I'm provide a solution. Don't need to change your country or without using any VPN. So you just open Safari browser, go to search option, just search here to you just search here this, okay, and then you get this option, then showing it to apps. Just find my TikTok. So don't skip my video and provide full solution. So when I'm search TikTok, so look at this is a TikTok apps, okay, and now showing it to TikTok install option. Just press on to install, processing. So noted this, please complete 2 of the offer below and follow the instruction full. So that's mean you just install these 2 apps, okay, like install, okay, click on to get, okay, and the another, just verify. So I'm provide full guide, don't skip my video, okay. Overall complete. Once it complete and you just wait some time, then install automatically installed. So okay, now finally TikTok is installing. So I hope you just follow my all process, then you get back your TikTok. And this method not working your device, and provide another solution. So check out my description box and provide link. So check out my video, or if you have any question, let me know my comment box.